Clothes steamers have evolved from simple wrinkle busters to multifunctional garments care tools that blend vertical steaming, ironing, odor removal, and fabric refreshening. For busy households, travel, or small apartments, a reliable handheld steamer can replace or augment traditional ironing with less heat exposure and faster setup.
List number 1. Conair Handheld Garment Steamer for Clothes. This 1875-watt model positions Conair as a performance-focused option with a 40-second heat-up, a 7.3-ounce water tank, and a 3-in-1 attachment kit that includes a fabric tautening band, delicate fabric spacer, and a bristle brush. It aims to deliver iron-like pressing with the convenience of a steamer and has styling cues like a quilted aluminum steamer plate for even heat distribution. Price sits at a mid-high tier within the lineup at $68.99. Performance-wise, the Turbo Extreme Steam's high wattage translates to rapid heat-up and robust steam output, suitable for heavier fabrics and upholstery. The included attachments address common problem areas. The tautening band helps with taut seams to smooth wrinkles more effectively. The delicate spacer protects trims, and the bristle brush enhances fiber penetration. With a 7.3-ounce tank, users should expect roughly 15 to 20 minutes of continuous steaming, assuming standard water usage, which is typical for this class. The 110V specification and build suggest it's best for household use in North America and requires attention to water purity to minimize scale.
List number 2. High Life Steamer for Clothes. A budget-friendly 700-watt handheld steamer with a 240 milliliter water tank and a long 9-foot cord, designed for home and office use at 120V. It emphasizes portability and strong penetrating steam, suitable for a wide fabric range, and is positioned as a practical everyday steamer with solid value at $28.99. Performance and user experience hinge on the 700-watt core. It heats relatively quickly, 2-minute heat time, and offers approximately 15 minutes of continuous steam. The large tank reduces refill interruptions, making it suitable for mid-size wardrobes or apartment use. The 9-foot cord provides flexibility for distant outlets, which is helpful in rooms without nearby sockets. Use cases lean toward quick refreshes, light travel, or small households. However, the unit's 120V requirement means it is not universal for travelers outside North America, and the relatively modest wattage may struggle with very dense fabrics or heavy drape refreshes.
List number 3. High Life Steamer for Clothes. Essentially the same specs as the blue High Life above, positioned as a black variant at $26.03. It shares the 700-watt core, 240 milliliter tank, 2-minute heat-up time, and 120-volt requirement. Marketed toward travelers and light home use with a compact profile, this variant continues the same feature set but with a different aesthetic and price point that makes it the most budget-friendly option in the lineup. In practice, the performance mirrors the blue variant: quick heat-up, about 15 minutes of steam, and good fabric compatibility across chiffon, silk, wool, cotton, and linen. The lower price adds appeal for consumers buying an additional unit for travel or a secondary setup. However, the trade-offs remain the same: voltage limitation and mid-tier wattage. Users should expect reliability in regular delicates and mid-weight fabrics, but may find it insufficient for heavy curtains or dense items without multiple passes. List number 4. Rowenta Handheld Steamer for Clothes. A premium 2-in-1 solution that blends vertical steaming with horizontal ironing, powered by 1875 watts. This model emphasizes versatility with 5 steam settings, a larger XL sole plate, and a longer runtime of up to 12 minutes of steam. It's designed for users who want a device that can quickly toggle between steam-only refreshes and more iron-like finishing touches, all in a handheld form with safety features like auto-off. Price sits at $79.95. Performance-wise, the 1875-watt core enables strong, consistent steam output and quick transitions between vertical and horizontal modes. The XL sole plate and increased steam output are aimed at faster wrinkle removal on a variety of fabrics, with 5 settings to tailor care to delicate silks versus thicker cottons. The 8.5-foot cord and 7.1-ounce water tank strike a balance between mobility and duration. However, the trade-off is weight, 2.95 pounds, and the need to manage heat during switching between modes. For users who value versatility.
List number 5. High Life Steamer for Clothes. This High Life unit increases power to 1100 watts and expands the water capacity to 300 milliliters, promising a 30-second heat up and up to 20 minutes of continuous steam. It's marketed as a travel-friendly yet powerful option with a 360-degree operation design to minimize spills and a single-button interface for ease of use. Priced at $39.99 places it between the budget and mid-range offerings, signaling a strong value proposition for users who want speed and decent capacity without premium pricing. Performance-wise, the 1100-watt core supports rapid steaming, which is beneficial for quick edits and refreshing outfits on the go. The 300-milliliter tank reduces frequent refills, helping in compact wardrobes or light drapery touches. The 360-degree usability design supports vertical and horizontal use with reduced spill risk, catering to users who value versatility during travel or home setup. Practical considerations include the unit's weight, about 2.64 pounds, and the reliance on 120 volts, which limits cross-border usage.